Friedrich Nietzsche, the 19th-century German philosopher, is renowned for his provocative ideas on morality, human nature, and the self. Central to Nietzsche's philosophy is the concept of self-overcoming, the notion that individuals must transcend societal norms and embrace their unique potentials to become who they truly are. This essay explores Nietzsche's insights into psychology and self-realization, delving into how his ideas can guide individuals on the path to authenticity and self-actualization. Nietzsche's critique of traditional psychology begins with his rejection of the Cartesian dualism that separates mind and body. Instead, Nietzsche advocates for a holistic understanding of human nature, where psychological phenomena are inseparable from physical processes. He challenges the prevailing views of his time by emphasizing the interplay between instincts, emotions, and cognition in shaping human behavior. Moreover, Nietzsche criticizes the prevailing moralities that seek to suppress or repress certain aspects of human nature, labeling them as slave moralities. He argues that traditional psychological frameworks, influenced by these moralities, pathologize natural human drives such as aggression, ambition, and desire for power. Instead of condemning these drives, Nietzsche encourages individuals to embrace them as essential components of their identity. At the core of Nietzsche's psychology is the concept of the will to power, which refers to the driving force behind all human actions. Contrary to interpretations that equate power solely with domination over others, Nietzsche defines power as the individual's capacity to realize their potential and exert influence over their own lives. This conception of power aligns with Nietzsche's emphasis on self-overcoming, the process through which individuals transcend their limitations and affirm their unique existence. Self-overcoming involves a constant struggle against societal constraints, internalized values, and the limitations of one's own nature. Nietzsche encourages individuals to question inherited beliefs and values, to cultivate self-awareness, and to embrace the challenges that come with self-transformation. Through this process, individuals can liberate themselves from conformity and assert their autonomy in defining their identity and values. Another key aspect of Nietzsche's psychology is the idea of the eternal recurrence, which posits that the universe is characterized by infinite repetition of all events. While initially perceived as a nihilistic thought experiment, the eternal recurrence serves as a psychological test of one's attitude toward life. Nietzsche challenges individuals to embrace the idea that every moment, including the most mundane and painful experiences, recurs eternally. By affirming the eternal recurrence, individuals are prompted to live their lives in such a way that they would willingly relive every moment, embracing both the joys and sufferings as integral parts of their existence. Linked to the eternal recurrence is Nietzsche's concept of amor fati, or love of fate, which entails an unconditional acceptance of one's life in its entirety. Rather than lamenting past mistakes or yearning for a different future, amor fati encourages individuals to affirm the present moment and find meaning in their experiences, regardless of their outcomes. This attitude fosters resilience, gratitude, and a sense of empowerment, enabling individuals to navigate life's uncertainties with courage and conviction. Nietzsche's insights into psychology have profound implications for personal development and mental well-being. By embracing the will to power and self-overcoming, individuals can cultivate a sense of agency and purpose in their lives, transcending societal expectations and forging their own path toward authenticity. Moreover, the eternal recurrence and amor fati offer psychological strategies for coping with adversity, fostering resilience, and finding meaning in the face of existential challenges.